It's time for calendar and weather. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Do you know what month we're in? Well, what month did we just start yesterday? Do you remember? It starts with an M, like M man. Do you remember? Let's look at our seasons and months resource. I heard some of you say it. We are in March. Now, what number comes after one? Think one, two. You're right. Let's get the number two. It's March 2nd, 2022. Let's put this on the calendar. And what day of the week are we on today? Do you know? Let's look at our days of the week resource. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's a wonderful what? Let's look for the day of the week that has the first letter like W and what. Look at the first beginning sound. Did you see that letter there? Did you find it? Here it is. Wednesday, Wednesday. Did you remember that? If you did, great job. Go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Let's get that word. Today is Wednesday. And do you know what yesterday was? Well, let's see. If today is Wednesday, the day before Wednesday is Tuesday, Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. And do you know what tomorrow will be? Well, think, what day is after Wednesday? Look at our resource. Here's Wednesday. The day after is Thursday. Thursday. Did you remember that? If you did, go ahead and kiss your brain. Let's get that word. Tomorrow will be Thursday. And we're still in which season? Do you remember? Some of you said it. Now, I want to remind you, we're still in winter, even though March is over here in the spring area. We're going to switch. March will officially become springtime on March 20th. Okay, so even though we're in March, we're actually still in winter for a little bit more time until March 20th, and then that month officially switches to the season called spring. Let's go ahead and get winter since we're still in winter and it's still cold. Let's describe today's weather today. The weather is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. What do you think? We're in Northern Virginia. What do you think? Well, maybe between sunny and cloudy, what's that called? I heard some of you say it. Partly cloudy. And do you think it's hot, cold, warm, or cool? It's kind of cold, but you know what? It's going to warm up a little bit this afternoon. Let's get a couple of things. Let's get partly cloudy. And I know we're going to see the sunshine and some clouds today. And it is going to be cold, but later on, it's going to warm up. So right now, I know before 7 a.m., it was feeling like 37 degrees Fahrenheit. But then today, it's going to be in the 40s, 50s, and mid-60s. So it's going to be warmer than usual this afternoon. Let's figure out how many days we've now been in school. What number comes after 110? Do you know, mathematicians? Well, think when you're counting 110, 111. I heard some of you say it. And you know what? We can check our hundreds chart as a resource. And if we start on the number 11, since we already had 100, start on the number 10, and the number after 10 is 11. Let's make 111 and get ready to say this number before we put it up on our place value chart. Are you ready, mathematicians? 111. We have 100, 110, 1, 1. Let's get one counting rod and add it to the ones pocket and start counting our 100. Everybody say 100. Keep the 100 in your brain. 100. Let's get the 100, put it back in the hundreds pocket. Now grab the 110. You got the 100 in your brain. 110. All right, let's put the 10 back. Now we're going to get the 1, 1. Keep the 110 in your brain. Did you keep it there? 100. We got the 110. 111. Let's go ahead and put this in the ones pocket and get ready, mathematicians. It's time to add our tally mark for how many days have we been in school. And we're going to go ahead and pull straight down to the tally mark. You can go ahead and use your finger and do it in the air straight down as we add it to our clipboard. Let's first skip count by fives 22 times and then put the 1 with it. Are you ready? Okay, on the first side we'll do 100. Ready? But skip count by fives 22 times. Let's do it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I remember we made 100 on the 100th day of school. That was so special. 105, 110, 111. So many days learning together in kindergarten. Let's go ahead and write today's date. March 2nd, 2022. Need something to write on and something to write with. Start with your uppercase letter. M-A-R-C-H spells March. Finger space, write the number 2, comma, finger space 2022. Go ahead, write that down, and then practice reading it. March 2nd, 2022. Hit the subscribe button, bell notification, and thumbs up if you like this video. Bye, mathematicians.